We received a new task: to determine a person's location based on a photograph. Before starting the investigation, we need to identify key details that will help us find the location where the photo was taken. As we can see, we have a yellow building, which will serve as the first clue in our search. The second indicator is water, more specifically a beach. We immediately understand that these could be hotels or residential buildings located along the coasts of America, Mexico, Thailand, or China. For a quick image search, we will use Bing by Microsoft. We drag the photo into the search and see that the likely location is Miami. There are several similar buildings in the results, but not the ones we need, so we continue the search. We try to narrow it down by focusing on the yellow building and see that the location remains the same, still Miami. The photo also shows a boat inlet, and the water is located on two sides. Let's move to maps and try to roughly determine the search radius based on this boat inlet. The 3D map view is very helpful in this process. It allows us to estimate the building's color and height. We found one inlet, and let's zoom out to see if there are others. There are, but they are more suitable for ports. We return to our inlet and possibly spot our yellow building. In the photo, we see a complex of 3 buildings, and on the left, part of the supposed yellow building. This is not yet a 100% confirmation, so we continue searching. This yellow building fits our target very well, but we need confirming evidence. The view from the yellow building matches the position of 2 buildings on the right side of the main photo. While reviewing another image, we clearly see that the complex to the left of the yellow building has a rounded roof, which gives us another confirmation that we are on the right track. We open Google Maps with the 3D or VR view and locate the yellow building. The upper floors of the yellow building have 4 windows, which gives us additional confirmation that we have found the correct object. Now we need to determine from which building and floor the photo was taken. Most likely it was taken from this building and approximately from these floors. However, to confirm this, we need to find photos from balconies with a similar angle. While reviewing one of the listings, we can confirm that this is indeed the building from which the photo was taken. Now let's try to determine the approximate floor in this complex. Remember, not to focus on just one rental website. On Booking, we find an apartment with a great view that matches the angle and composition, approximately from the 30th floor. To summarize, we identified and confirmed the yellow building, which was our initial clue in the investigation. And now we can roughly determine from which floor the photograph was taken. Thus, we found the location and the building where the person possibly lives. If you found this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.